Hello, everybody. My name is Brendan Willis, and this is my senior project. Welcome to my week 3 status report. I am working on my project, which is called Freight Operations. It is the Freight Operations Management Systems, or FOMS for short. This is a solo project, and unfortunately, this week has been a little crazy for me. I have not finished setting up my GitHub, but I will get that set up. Uh, that will be the first thing on my plate for the following week. I apologize for the delay. As for now, I'm a little behind because I did not complete 100% of what I planned to do last week. That is my GitHub and a couple other things that I were in need of being done. But I've worked 8 hours for a total of 18 and a half as of today. And my estimated hours of completion are 107 and a half. It's a lot of time. Last week's accomplishments. Well, I began on the basic structure, drafting what requirements are needed. I've kind of like made a checklist for myself as to what my project needs, and I'm doing that so I can make sure that everything I'm doing is up to the requirements, and it's helping me uh, keep track of where I want to go and where I need to be. Um, I've partially decided on what technology to use, but I'm not done with that yet. I've also been responding to feedback from my professor, as well as clarifying the scope of my project. I've also, been brought to my attention, I did not properly define features like create, read, update, and delete in my project already, as well as authentication, and that will be added to my draft and outline. As for next week's goals, I'll be finishing my repository creation. Create a README for it and finish, or at least create it. I don't know if I'll be able to finish it by then. Who knows? And then finish drafting and decide on what kind of tech I want to use, as well as define any other core systems and entities I need to add, as well as user roles. And there have been no sped talks yet. Challenges I've had so far. Balancing what I initially wanted with what is better and necessary. Especially with the feedback I'm getting, it's been brought to my attention some things I need to do and tweak based on what my plans have been. So that is coming along fine. I don't have any questions right now or comments, but I also do not quite yet have my anything to demo at this point. It's still a bunch of research and planning. But as soon as I get my GitHub set up properly, I will get right on that. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the video below, and or reach out to me personally. That works too. Have a good one, and bye-bye.